One of the things that I stress in my videos is being smooth with something, really, before moving on to the next thing. And I actually tell people not to waste a lot of time on the reverse roll. So video 1 covers forward roll. It talks about fanning, being able to do this. This is what I call fanning. And then being able to plane, which is just being able to raise your elbows, not screw up like I am right now. Stay in control. Okay. So that's video 1. Video 2 covers bumping. Alright. Several different types of bumping. Then video 3 covers the reverse roll. And the 3 of them look like this. And video 4 is linking. Combining video 1 and video 4. And then in video 5 we work on the reverse triple beat. I like people to learn this because it actually makes the split fist easier, and it makes the triple beat real easy to learn from the front side. So all we're doing in the triple beat is rolling up the window. And we do it from the front side. And then we link them together. And then in video 6, we bring in the split fist, and all we're going to do is interrupt the reverse triple beat with the front circle punch. And you lean back and forth as you transition between the two. Now, you can do this for 3 minutes, walking through it, just simply transitioning from one thing to another. You would probably wow the shit out of somebody. But it takes hours of just doing those things. Until it's just instinct. Because you gotta, at a point, stop thinking about it and you just react.